Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your value language class, children. So, before the exam, we have started with chapter 8 of your book, right? That is Leave an Impression. So, this is your book, all of you know that, Inspirations for Life, right? And the chapter we were discussing was chapter 8, Leave an Impression. Isn't it? We have not completed it. Half, just one page you have completed in the previous day. So open your book at page number 30, chapter 8, Leave an Impression, right? So leave an impression. This is chapter 8 of your book. We have done it half, okay, before the exam. Then we started with the exam, we couldn't finish the chapter. Today we will try to finish the chapter, right? So see, I think everyone, you have opened page number 30 of your book. Okay, then what we have learned about in this chapter, we have learned about good manners, isn't it? As we all know that good manners are very important for all of us. Okay, it remains with us throughout our life, isn't it? So you should learn good manners in your childhood. We consider we should learn good manners in our childhood, and so that we can use them throughout our life. So good manners are the treatment which we give to others. What do you mean by good manners? Good manner is the treatment that we give to others. Okay, so this means what, whenever we are talking to others, we should be very polite, right? We should be very polite. We should use the golden words like please, sorry, thank you, isn't it? It makes others feel good. Okay, now, so as we know that first impression is the best impression. Okay, now first of all, one good manner that we have learned in the previous day was that when two elders are speaking, as you are child, you should not interrupt in between. Okay, let them finish their talking, then you can ask if you have any question, if you have any doubt to clear. In between, you should not interrupt when two elderly person are speaking, are talking, right? So let them finish, then you can say, then you can talk to them. So here you can see three pictures given here, so we'll discuss it in detail. First one, we can see an old man is sitting, so, and a boy is passing through, and I think he is wishing the old man. It is a very good manner. The old man, the old basically, naturally, the old people, they feel very good if you respect them, if you talk to them politely. Okay, if you greet them. So it is our duty to, as their elder to us, so if we should do at least small thing to make them happy, right? So when you meet someone in the morning, what you should say? Good morning, as you say, isn't it? So when you meet someone in the afternoon, someone you are meeting in the afternoon, suppose you are back from your school and your mommy is there, just standing in front of the gate, what should you say? Good afternoon, mommy. Good afternoon, mom. Okay, it is a good habit. Then when you meet someone in the evening, suppose you are meeting someone in the evening, so at the first glance, what you have to say? Good evening. How you'll greet that person? By saying good evening. So these are very good way of pleasing other. Okay, to treat them with respect, right? We should greet them. Everyone, if you are meeting your friend, you can say, yes, hello Rahul, hello Ravi, hello Rita, hello Sita, whatever may be your friend's name. So we should greet our friends and look at the time, and accordingly, if we meet in the morning, we should say good morning. If in the afternoon time, we'll say good afternoon, and if we are meeting them in the evening, we'll say good evening, right? So come to page number 31. So we'll move to page number 31 now. Here also we can see some picture. Let us see what is given here. Number one, if we have guests at home, so on and off we have guests at our house, right, at our home. So if you have guests at home, you should say hello or welcome. Suppose you have gone to your friend's house, and when you came back, you see some guests are there at your place, then what you will say? Hello, isn't it? Or welcome. When they depart, or when we see someone off, when they are moving, going back, then we should say goodbye, right? Bye bye, see you. This way we can greet. Then we can during the departure time, we can say goodbye. While asking for something, a child should say please or may I. Suppose you are asking for something, Suppose you want something, you are eating, your mommy is serving you something and you want something from that, then you can say, "Mommy, please, can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the food? Can you pass me the rice?" Isn't it? So please, so you should ask please or may I. Okay, like, "Please pass me the food. Can I sit here, please?" So if you want to someone, if you find someone sitting, then if you want to sit here, then you can ask to just take the permission. Okay, it is not that you are asking for permission. It is what? It is good manner, that people will feel nice. Okay, he will remember you or she will remember you throughout her life, that one day I met a child, he was so polite, so good. Okay, so it leaves an impression, it leaves an impression. Okay, so next one. So you can see here, this child is receiving a gift, maybe from his father or his uncle. Okay, so thank you so much for the gift. If someone is presenting you something, you should say thank you, thank you. Okay, when we receive gift, so we must say thank you when you receive a gift from someone, right? That you know very well. So if a person thank us for something, we say you are welcome. And when that person is saying you thanking you, then what should you say? Welcome. It's my pleasure. Welcome. Okay, or you are welcome, or mention not. That also you can say. Or the pleasure is mine. This also you can say. Okay, there are different ways of talking to people to be polite to them. When we do something wrong, we should say what? We should say sorry when we do something wrong. By mistake, and if we do something wrong, then we say, "I'm sorry, I'll not do this again." Isn't it? So we learn good manners from our parents, from our teachers, and from elders. From where do we learn the good manners? We learn good manners from your parents at home, from your teachers in the school, and from your elders around you. Right. So this is the end of the chapters, and you know that everybody likes a person who is well behaved. Isn't it? If a person is very rude, no one likes him. Maybe in the class sometime you find that a child is very friendly, he is having very good manners, he always wishes the teacher, wishes our friends, and helps them, isn't it? So, and use the golden words always, like sorry, please, thank you. So all these things, so everyone, see, you will find that everyone likes that child, isn't it? So you also want that everyone should love you. Do you? Do you want everyone to love you? Yes, we want that everyone should love us. So for that, you need to practice some good manner. You should have some good manners. And when do we learn this good manner? When we are very young, when we are children. Okay, so this is the time for you to learn this good manners. So if someone gives you something, a gift, then you should say, "What? Thank you." Isn't it? When someone is thanking you, you should say, "Mention not, the pleasure is mine." This way, there are many ways you should use them in your day-to-day life. Okay, this is the chapter leaves an impression. It means that when you are good to other, when you are polite to other, it leaves an impression in the mind of the other people throughout the life. Okay, so what have we learned from this chapter? What is the lesson? Everybody likes a well-mannered child, so we should learn good manners. Okay, so this is the end of the chapter. Then I'll send you the question answer. Then we'll go back to chapter 6. We'll complete chapter 6. Then again we'll move to that part, next part. Okay, I have skipped that chapter. You must be thinking, what happened? Ma'am has not taught. I'll teach you. Okay, let me finish with this one. Chapter is done. Question answer I'll send. Then in the next class we'll do with chapter number 6 of the book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.